Okay, so your unit circle. So when you're trying to memorize it, see the 6 here. The 6 is the denominators right here and here, and then your threes right there. Your two denominators, and then they're down here too. They're down there. See the denominators. So you see the color coding. That's a good way. This is a good way to be able to memorize and learn how to do the unit circle. So whenever you have pi over 6 here, when you go all the way over here, it's 6 pi over 6, and you just subtract 1, 5 pi over 6, or you add 1, 7 pi over 6. The same with the 3. See, once you have this line, and this line, once you have this part of the circle, you're golden, because once you have pi over 3, pi over 4, pi over 6 memorized, you're good. Because pi over 3, you go all the way over here, is 3 pi over 3. 1 less is 2 pi over 3. 3 pi over 3. 1 more is 4 pi over 3. And then you have pi over 3, 3 pi over 3, 4 pi over 3. And then if you go all the way around, you'll have 6 pi over 3, and 1 less is 5 pi over 3. So this is a good way to memorize the unit circle. It's great. Pi over 4, 4 pi over 4, 5 pi over 4. Pi over 4 all the way around is 8 pi over 4. 1 less is 7 pi over 4. Pi over 6, go over here, it's 6 pi over 6. 1 less is 5 pi over 6. So 6 pi over 6, add 1 more, 7 pi over 6. 6 pi over 6, go over 12 pi over 6. 1 less, 11 pi over 6. Where I'm going. So 6 pi over 6, 1 more would be 7 pi over 6. It's amazing. So this is a great way to learn the unit circle. Thank you. Okay, the unit circle. Okay, an easy way to remember the unit circle. Alright, I'm going to set this up here. Set all these angles up. An easy way to remember is do this way. Alright, so you're going to go counterclockwise. So you're going counterclockwise. So this is going to be 2 pi. This is going to be pi. And go up here, will be half a pi. And then down here, see 2 pi, you go over here. See, it's the same as saying 2 pi over 2, which the 2's cancel out, so pi is 2, and then 3. So 3 pi over 2. So what you want to do now, okay, now, so half right here, a 45 degree would be, what's between pi over 2 and 2 pi? It's pi over 4. Okay, now if you want to go over here, you can see the 45 degree, 45 is 90, and then 45 plus 90 right there, 135 or whatever it is. And then same here, and same here. You want to do these in order. So 140, pi over 4th, you go up, if you go all the way over here, it'll be 4 pi over 4. Just remember, when you go over here, it'll be 4 pi over 4, so 1 less of that is 3 pi over 4. You just want to remember this trick. Alright, so see, you want to get, the numbers will be equal over here. So, okay, so what's the next 45 degree going down this way or whatever? 45, 90, 135, what is this, 180, and then 180 plus 45. So down here, you keep going, so it'll be 4 pi over 4 here, and 1 after that is 5 pi over 4. So this is 5 pi over 4. And see, if you go all the way around, you'll have 8 pi. You'll have 8 pi over 4, and 1 less of that is 7 pi over 4. See what I'm doing? This is a good trick to remember. So what's half of pi over 4? It's pi over. To go 1/2 down again would be pi over 6. Alright, so pi over 6. Alright, so with pi over 6, now with pi over 6, alright, so that'll be these angles right here you want to focus on. Just really tight this area. So I'm gonna go like this to distinguish this. Okay, so just want to focus on these areas right here for the pi over 6. Just focus on these areas. So if you go all the way over here, it'll be 6 pi over 6. This will be 6 pi over 6, and one less will be 5 pi over 6. 6 pi over 6, one more would be 7 pi over 6. See a little, and if you go all the way around, it'd be 12 pi over 6. One less would be 11 pi. 11 pi over 6. So you see a little trick that you can use without knowing what's going on. Is just do this trick. Okay, and the last one is this one right here. So this angle right here, these, when you're doing the unit circle, you can get these. Alright, so when these, alright, so you have, remember it's pi over 6, pi over 4, this is going to be pi over 3. If you're going to memorize anything, memorize that pi over 3, pi over 4, and pi over 6, 2 pi, and pi. And maybe pi over 2. But if you get this region right here down pat, memorized, these numbers right here, you can just fill in the rest. So pi over 3, if you go all the way over here, it'd be 3 pi over 3, and one less is 2 pi over 3. So 3 pi over 3, the next one will be 4 pi over 3. So you find wherever you're going, down here, 4 pi over 3. You go all the way around, it'll be 6 pi over 3, one less is 5 pi over 3. So 5 pi over 3, and that is the unit circle. And so you have all the values here, and you're good to go. So this is the unit circle. Unit circle. And it's a good time. I mean, it really is a good time, I think. I think it's a great time, and this is how you do it. Thank you.